Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for Libra singles for the month of January 2026. I'm going to tap into your current energies, then I'm going to check your energy for a new person, then past person, and then guidance as usual, and then one more card from the romance angels. So, honey, I'm conducting a live 7 days workshop in which we are going to unlock the power of our chakras, and we will be able to understand how to manifest anything in your life, love and money and health and everything. Beautiful. This is going to be live. If you will not be able to join live, you can get the recordings as well. And this is going to be from 20 till the 26th of January. Link for the same is in the description box. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start, Libra. Your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have Five of Wands, Queen of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the World card. You're still in some kind of chaos or conflict when it comes to your love and relationship area. You're trying your best to keep your life as drama free, as positive, as you can say healed as you can. It's like slow and steady is going to win the race. You're no longer in any kind of rush or hurry. You are not in the energy of chasing anyone or be with someone just like that. You're taking your time. There are certain kind of completion of cycles that you are doing. You are finishing the unfinished businesses. You are what we call that. It's like loose ends. You are just now trying your best to. Wow, I'm not able to say that. You're trying your best to let go of those people, situations, or things that were keeping you stuck. It's not about your romantic relationships only, it's about all the relationships that were dragging you down in some way or shape or form. And now you are trying your best to still clear of any kind of drama, to remain practical, rational, and move ahead in this direction very slowly with caution and with practicality. I have to keep my phone ring on because I have to get a very important call today. But this is your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Let's see your energies for a new person, new connection for the month of January 2026, Libra. We have Two of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and the Hanged Man. Bottom of the deck is a World card again. You guys are struggling with this energy of letting go of something or someone completely out of your life, out of your system. That is why you guys are not able to welcome the new person, new energy in your life the way you guys should. Two of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Hanged Man. There is going to be a situation that is going to be on and off, in and out of your life. Then you are going to realize that this is not working out for me. This on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together, we are something, we are not something. And then you are going to feel like you should just surrender to the divine. Whatever is supposed to happen and whenever it is supposed to happen, it will eventually happen. Either you are going to deal with two people at the same time. It can be a past person, past energy, and a new person, and or totally two different person, totally two new energies. But you are, or simply one connection is going to give you this energy of on and off, in and out. We are talking, we are not talking. Then you're going to realize this is not working out like this, and you are going to release that particular person or situation, whatever it is. But there are good chances of you connecting with somebody new, but because you will not be able to handle it or open up completely to it, that's going to be mostly in the surrender mode. It's like stagnation mode. Okay, but it is going to somehow give you the perspective of what you want and what you don't want in your love and relationship area. Let me see from the romance angel for a new person, new connection, new bond for the month of January 2026 for you guys. The time has come to clear your energy, release your ex. Release your ex for some of you is releasing your past. Even if you are not stuck on a particular specific person from your past, It might be some issues or some challenges or some obstacles that are keeping you stuck in a past situation. So releasing your ex, releasing your past is very very important for you guys in order to move to the next chapter of your love and relationship area. So until unless you are going to clear the energies completely to let the new person, new energy enter in your life, it's not going to be possible for you, honey. Cool. Let's see what are your energies for a past person, past connection, past situation, if you are interested in them. We have the Knight of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the Devil card. Bottom of the deck is the Star card. You guys are running away from the confusion that you guys are still having regarding this situation. It's emotionally overwhelming kind of energy between you and a past person, and definitely there are other people involved in the situation. Romantic third party is also involved, and other people otherwise apart from romantic third party, there are also other situations, other people, other things that are influencing the situation on a very very deeper level. That's why you guys are not able to reconnect or connect. At the same time, there are certain kind of toxicities, negativities, unhealthy kind of patterns in the situation that keeps you guys stuck on each other, but you guys are not coming on any kind of conclusion whatsoever. So regarding a past person, past situation, it is going to make you feel a little bit emotionally overwhelmed and a little bit obsessive or possessive, but nothing concrete is happening somebody coming for reconciliation or somebody dying for you or running behind you. That is not happening. But there is a heavy and very very burdensome kind of energy that you're carrying regarding a past person or past situation or the experiences that you had in your love and relationship area. That is definitely stopping you from moving forward in a new direction with a new person or new energy, of course. So no new person until unless you are going to release your past completely. No past person until unless you are going to be 1000% clear about what's going on between you and them, and what you guys should do about it properly and honestly. Okay, let's see regarding a past person, regarding the past person or past situation, the card from the romance angel. We have let go of control issues, allow this situation to unfold naturally. Might be you are trying to control the outcome of the situation, might be you are trying to control each and everything in your life when it comes to a past person, past situation. You guys have to let it go, you guys have to just release the situation and let it settle down naturally and organically. So for the time being, just do your own thing, just focus on your own healing, your self love, self care, self healing kind of a thing. And you just don't have to control each and everything in your life, especially the other person here. And once you are going to settle down, relax and calm down, things will start healing naturally and organically for you, and then eventually you will be able to understand whether you should go ahead for the past person or a new person. That's very very important for you guys to understand. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys here. We have the Ten of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. You're pretending to walk away from something that you're still stuck on a very, very deeper level. This is not an easy task for you to walk away from something that you were completely invested in. But you're continuously lying to yourself. I'm totally done with this. I don't care about this situation. This is not bothering me at all, but it is. So why not to be truthful and honest with yourself when you know something is bothering you on that much deeper level? Why you have to be in this energy of, yeah, everything is fine, I'm cool, let's move forward, let's keep moving forward? Why you are lying to yourself you're fine when you're not? I am not saying you are still in love with someone, you still care for them, and you're still ready to die for them or something. But there is something from your past that is still bothering you on a very, very deeper level, and you're trying to avoid it or ignore it or control it, right? And that is why you're not able to move on, even if you're trying your best. Like physically, you are moving on, emotionally and mentally, you are still stuck on something or someone that is draining your energies from inside, and you know it. And instead of doing something about it, like sitting with your feelings and healing it properly, you're continuously lying to yourself, I'm all right, or everything is fine, I don't care, I don't give a damn. And then maybe you are trying to go ahead with these energies towards new people, new energies, and that's why they're not working out. Okay, this is like an eye opener kind of energies for you guys for this month. Where is the card? Where are the cards? Okay, let me answer one of your questions regarding to this particular situation of your life for Libra singles. I just realized I should do that for you guys also. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. Keep in mind this is also journal. It might or might not resonate. Okay. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer properly. If it's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. No, it's a clear cut no for you guys. I don't even have to explain this to you guys. The answer is clear cut no. So this is it. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.